Hi guys, Zsolt is back again with another video from Zsolt's Tech and Detail channel. I'm going to show you what to do if you have one of these TUBQ Studio TS1 Air Technica Think Clean central hoover system and you have a great loss of suction. So let me set up my other camera and then I show you what you need to do. Right guys, at this point I would really recommend to use some gloves, which I'm just about to. By the way, this video is going to have multi-purpose. One, educational, of course, just to show you how to make your life easier and how to save tons of money for you. Because of course the user manual says replace the filter, which costs an arm and a leg, an arm and a leg. So we are absolutely not going to do that. What we are going to do is cleaning the filter. That's why you need gloves. And also, well, of course, I would recommend to use some sort of mask to avoid some small dust entering into your lung. Also maybe some protective goggles. I'm not going into that depth right now. But what you should also do is to use a plastic bag, or even better if you have some sort of recycled paper bag, which I don't right now. So what you need to do is you remove the container. It has some dust in it and all kind of other dirt. Then if you put your hand under, of course make sure it's unplugged from electricity first, not like it's going to grind your fingers or something, but just in case, health and safety. So with one hand hold the filter which is inside, you will feel it, hold it so it's not going to fall off when you remove the screw which is on the middle. So you remove the screw and you might or might not see, but the reason why I have the plastic bag underneath is that some dust is falling off already. So I remove the screw, I put it on the side. Now comes the filter. If I release it, it falls off. Gravity is unbelievable. Then I just inspect it with my hand if I can feel any other larger particles. I cannot, so now I show you, I bring it a bit closer. Now you can see the filter is being nasty dirty. Now according to the user manual I would need to chuck this one in the bin and spend heck loads of money to buy a new one. Not going to happen guys. I show you what to do. I'll be back in a moment. Alright, lovely neighbors are just about to pass in the viewfinder, as you can see. So what you need is a generic standard hoover, probably with this narrower attachment at the end. So what you do is, and sorry guys, it is going to be noisy because the hoover is going to be right behind the camera. We are going to hoover the filter. Again, I am going to hoover, you are going to watch, so you are in luck. So bear with me, sorry about the noise. I will switch it on the higher power mode. Not the plastic bag. So, most of the particles, the big ones, are out of the filter. Now what I'm going to do, that's why I stopped to explain, I will go between these lamels and I'm going to use the suction power of the hoover to get rid of all that heavy dust inside, so it will free up the pores, not the Polish people, the pores on the filter. And yeah, more or less that's it. If you are really crazy about, what you can do is, with some sort of hot water and soap and such, you could wash it and then let it dry. Of course, never put it back whilst it's wet, because moist can enter into the motor of the central hoover system and it can damage it. So absolutely do not recommend that. If you wash it with water, please allow it to dry properly. So I'm just going to bring now this plastic bag further in, otherwise the wind is going to blow, and I'm going to switch the hoover on, and I'm going to continue with this baby in between. Righty guys, it is much better than it was. I don't say it is that clean. I would even eat some spaghetti from it, of course not, but it is cleaner than it was. Now we increase the suction power significantly for the hoover, the central hoover, so the wife will be happy. I don't have to sleep on the couch. Job well done. It's a bit dirty. If you want to go crazy, you take a towel, you wipe it off. If you are in the possession of compressed air, even better, from the inside, preferably outwards, outward mindset, isn't it? Then you are going to use the compressed air to blow the particles even further out. In that case, I would definitely recommend to use a mask, a protective mask, and eye goggles. But this will do the trick. Mrs. is going to be super happy, because anyhow, it belongs to her office. So guys, thank you. If you don't mind, I'm not going to waste your time with the rest of the video of putting it back. Of course, what's going to happen, same way I put the filter back, I put the screw on, I empty the container since I removed it. Why not? I could leave it because it's not full, but why would I leave the dust in? And it would be a big waste of the plastic bag if I didn't use. So empty the container and put the container back. Life is good. Alright guys, some more cars coming, all kind of construction companies and homeowners. Ah, that's rather busy. Alright, anyhow folks, filter cleaning, don't waste your money on buying new one. Absolutely pointless. Also, we saved the planet a little, because I suppose making these ones takes lots of plastic, all kind of other rubbish, electricity, transfer them here and there. So no, 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 no. Alright, thank you guys, and catch you later in another hopefully useful video. Have fun, bye!